Alright, and there you have a solve Leetcode 128, longest consecutive sequence. It's basically amount numbers be say 100, 4, 200, 132. You say share numbers a twelve so I wapa, right? It's for example, first example yeah amount 100, 4, 200, 1, 3, 2. Right? So do any share right? We do any share no benya 1, 2, 3, 4. And then church so right into 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 100 and on going now and a 200 and then some going now. Right? To do any share there, this is the longest, right? We never share. Another example, so I'm saying the amaya was saying 0, 3, 7, 2, 5, 8, 4, 6, 0, 1. Right? And also see a share with Makasa we 1, we 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9. Right? Indeed. We say in the longest one a 9. Right? But one thing you can see is 0 near me, you know. The 0 near me, and you say now clearly you can see 0 no back up any you see. Right? 0 back on here and a 0 back on here. Which means say duplicates for my which may back from. And the one thing we have to note now is that we can remove dupes, right? Something we have to note. But we answer where you say but programmatically what can you do? In fact, say a bar no say ye treat ye far array in my start here for say. Right? Ye better than you say we like the beginning now say is part of a sequence, a consecutive sequence, right? Numbers at church so. The first thing we can do is say 400 near 1 and free. And remember 99, right? So 99 a neat list anymore. It means 100 way at the beginning of something. It's the beginning of a sequence, right? It's a bit markers. Oh, okay. A beginning of a sequence. A sequence back when you are some share. Me I can see a chair should be 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 woman. 100 plus 1 in him. It's you know. Assembly. The sequence back I 1, right? Yeah, but 4 minus 1 I 3 right? 3 minus 1 I 2 1 2 minus 1 I 1 1 minus 1 I 0 nim there and just a 1 way at the beginning of a sequence. It's plus 1. It's 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 right? 3 plus 1 4 and never my 4 way, right? About 200 and so 200 minus 1 about 199 199 into no a beginning of a sequence into a plus 1 now you can say 200 plus 1 are 201 in into no so into no count near 1 pair, right? That is how programmatically you bet you my idea the longest sequence, right? And you know let's go and see how I deal we may describe why you bet you my representing in a Python code. And like I said, no, he be remove duplicates. And he be remove duplicates. I be use sets. And sets nums will do that for us. And for number bi I will nums no. If num minus 1 not in nums you say a current number, the beginning, right? Current number, new beginning, no, is equal to num. Streak, if I can be say streak and as a concession, right? Consecutiveness. In front of streak, no, you one. Like I said, no. So we are, not say what 1 from 99 in and we say 100, no. And then the beginning, you one, right? While current number plus 1 in nums, right? While current number, and if I say, you say 1 way, a the beginning of a sequence, until 1 plus 1, a 2. So long as 1 plus 1, you find it plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 on the counting streak, right? A counting streak, so now you move number, into 1 plus 1 a 2. 2 2 now for the yabano say. It's current number plus 1 and a streak is so now increasing by 1. I don't know how much time I type of dot say. But overall, no, the here max streak. Max streak is equal to the maximum of max streak and the current streak that we have. Here we are, then we return max streak. Alright, and see, let's see. Okay, so while current num plus 1 in nums, while num minus 1 not in nums, current num is equal to num. Okay, no, that cause a problem. Alright, so this is it. I say no me and nums which was like array. It's me nums nefriano and I'm the right solution. Okay. And yeah, this is how you solve Leetcode 128. And this is at O of n time complexity. It's yeah, alright, see you in the next one.